In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw BTC or Bitcoin from Bybit. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing that you're going to need to do is open up and log into your Bybit account. If you don't already have a Bybit account, I'll drop a link down below in the description. And by using my link, you'll get up to $30,000 in welcome bonuses and rewards just for signing up. So once you've logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And we're going to go right down here to the bottom right of the screen. And we're going to tap on the assets or the wallet icon. And from here, you're going to have the option of selecting account or assets, and then choosing between your funding or your unified trading account, wherever the funds that you want to withdraw are. And I'm going to select funding for this example. Next thing, you're going to see these options for deposit, withdraw, transfer, convert, and giveaway. We're going to go right over here and select withdraw. Next thing you're going to do is look for the currency, which is Bitcoin, that you want to withdraw. If you don't see it in the list, you could just search for it in the search bar up top to make it easier. Tap on Bitcoin. Next, we're going to have to fill out this information, starting with the address. For that, you're going to log into whatever wallet or exchange that you want to deposit your funds from Bybit into. For this example, I'm going to use Trust Wallet. And whatever exchange or wallet you are using, you're going to have the option for receive or deposit, and you're going to go ahead and tap on that. And next, you're going to select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit into whatever wallet you're using. And for this example, I want to deposit BTC. So I'm going to tap on that, and that's going to bring up my Bitcoin deposit address for Trust Wallet. Tap on these two squares to copy the address. Go back into Bybit, and right here under address, we're going to paste in the address we just copied. Next, we're going to select the network, which is the Bitcoin network or the BTC network. And right here where it says amount, this is where you're going to enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to withdraw from Bybit and deposit into another account or wallet. You could also simply just tap on max if you want to withdraw all of it. Right down here where it says withdrawal fees, that's going to show you how much you're going to pay in fees. Make sure you confirm that the address is correct as well as the network. After you've made sure everything is correct, we're going to go right down here to the bottom right of the screen and tap on withdraw. Confirm the transaction on the next page, and that is how to withdraw BTC from Bybit. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.